My name is Malin Hilmersson, and I am originally from Sweden. I became an American citizen a couple of months ago. That was very exciting, and so since I did my undergrad in Sweden, this is the first time I'm taking classes in the US. So not only is online classes brand new to me, but also taking classes in the US and getting used to the American higher education system. I don't think my parents really considered me getting a master's degree. That was even part of my plan, but it is part of my personal plan right now. It just helps me to develop. I'm doing this for me and not for anyone else, and that just gives me a lot of energy to get this done because it's for me. I am currently studying the Higher Education Administration Master's Program. I'm also doing a academic advising certificate, and once I graduate, I will have a Master's of Art degree. I decided to take online classes because I'm already working full-time, and being able to do that while taking classes, online just works so much better. When I started this online program, I had never taken any online classes before, so I wasn't really sure what to expect from this experience. And the first time, like on the first class day when I logged into Blackboard, it really cleared everything up for me. Everything was laid out, you had the modules of the weeks you were doing, and everything was just clearly laid out. I'm not 100% sure yet what I want to do when I graduate, but I've always, since I graduated from my undergrad, I have worked within higher education, and it's something that I know that I want to continue to do. I would like to focus on international education and work with international students and integrating them on campuses, and also giving American students a chance to study abroad and see what opportunities are there for them.